What's up, YouTube? BArailsystem. I'm going to do my monthly layout update. This one's for July. So as you can see, if you watched the last one, I got a lot done. All the terrain done. I got the ground mostly painted except for one little work spot there. And I'm laying track and I got a lot of it done. Got the mountain painted. Some ground cover put on it, a few trees, just the frames of trees, but it's coming along. I mounted some ground cover on there. I got power hooked up on one track of the double track main line. And something that really surprised me, I've been dropping feeder wires everywhere, mostly at every piece of flex track. You can see that. 22 or 20 gauge feeder wires, and right now I got the whole layout is running off of one feeder wire here that goes up to right in there. And it's powering the whole layout, and I've been running trains like crazy, and it's working fine on one feeder wire. I even shorted it out yesterday. Here I was working on this, gluing this track down. This is the one that's powered right now, and this track's not powered, but it's getting its power through the switches, and I ended up shorting out a locomotive on the other side by putting a metal glue bottle on here. So I don't even know how many feeder wires I'm actually going to have to hook up, because it's getting its power just fine through one. So I think if I just do a couple more, it might be alright. I might have gone a little bit overkill with the feeder wires. But it's exciting. I'm glad that I'm actually got to run a train around. That was kind of cool. One track is operational. Got a few more cars on the grain train. This one's from Prairie Shadows. It's pretty cool. It's special run by Intermountain for Prairie Shadows. Just a CP cylindrical hopper with white hatches, and if you can see that, you can read that, it's got a little bit of extra printing on it. Max level for loading cement. So it's modeled after an actual car. It's kind of cool. And I got another Prairie Shadows special run. It's a patched wheatboard, ex-wheatboard hopper with the CN patch. Most grain cars now have these on the CN line anyway. I've noticed have this. They've had the WX taken off. See how that one has CN WX? Now they look like that. They have a patch, and it just says CN, and then the number. It's also got a "Do not run your car, hatch is open" patch on it, and a few other little things. So that's kind of cool. I'm still waiting for a few cars from PWRS. The green Saskatchewan ones got delayed again, so it'll be a while before I get those. I think September. And I also got this is the new Cato, as I just learned, CP 9043 Mac. It's just DCC ready, just has the plug, and I haven't put the handrails or anything on it. But I was so happy with my AC 4400 that I just had to get another Cato, because this thing is by far my best locomotive. It pulls the best, runs the best, the sound is the best on it. So I just wanted to get another Cato, and I saw that they were coming out with these. I thought I'd just pick one up. So I'll run a trainer on the layout, and that will be my update for July. Thanks for watching.